In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up credit cards with sub-accounts in QuickBooks Online. Setting up your credit cards with sub-accounts can truly streamline your financial management, making your bookkeeping not only organized but also efficient. Let's dive in and explore how you can accomplish this in just a few simple steps. To begin, take a look at the top right corner of your QuickBooks Online interface. You'll see the familiar gear icon. Give that a click. This icon is essentially your gateway to all the settings and configuration options you'll need for your account. From the drop-down menu that appears, go ahead and select Chart of Accounts. This is where all your fundamental account settings reside, and setting up an organized chart is crucial for effective financial management. Once you're in the Chart of Accounts section, look towards the top right corner again. Here, you'll find an option to create a new account. Click on that. This action will open a new page where you can input details about the account you're creating. You'll start by adding an account name. This can be anything that helps you identify the account easily, like the name of the credit card provider. After naming your account, you need to specify the account type. Since we're dealing with credit cards, choose the appropriate type that best fits this category. Alongside this, you'll also have to select the detail type. This is an additional layer of categorization provided by QuickBooks, helping you to keep a more detailed overview of each account's function. Once you've filled in all the necessary details, look for the Save button and click it. At this point, you've successfully created a new credit card account in QuickBooks Online. However, to unlock more detailed tracking, creating sub-accounts is highly beneficial. Begin this step similarly by clicking New once more. When you're setting up this new account, there's a specific checkbox labeled Make this a sub-account. Make sure you check this box. This allows you to establish a hierarchy by linking the new account to an existing parent account. It's time to select the parent account for your sub-account. This is essentially the main account you just created, or another one, depending on your structure. Once you've selected it, it solidifies the connection between the accounts, allowing for hierarchical financial tracking and reporting. With this setup complete, you can now utilize your account or sub-account to categorize and track your transactions efficiently. The structure you've established offers a clear picture in your financial statements, making it easier to analyze and manage your bookkeeping. And that's all there is to it. In just a few steps, you've set your credit cards up with sub-accounts in QuickBooks Online, opening up a world of organized financial tracking and reporting. Happy bookkeeping!